Brian, I hate having to fix all this stuff every day. I just can't wait for 5 o'clock. I know, but hey, at least we got an upside down cake. Wait, oh my god, we have an upside down cake. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna eat it. It's upside down. Get out of the way. Wait a minute. Is that a freaking ball pit? Oh, we'll never get done. It's like 4:30. 4:35. Ugh. What are we gonna do? The clock is probably broken. That's probably why we can't even see it with all this loads of crap. Well, I think it's about closing time right now. Wait, what? Oh shoot, it's time to leave. Yeah, let's get out of here. What do you think you're doing? It's like 5 o'clock. No, it isn't. It's 4:39. It's 4:59. You gotta wait 20 more seconds. Your counter was 20 seconds long. No, it wasn't. You're gonna stay here till you fix all this stuff. Well, it's not my fault that everyone else quit, so we're the only two because we need a job. Well, you should be working if you want a job. Your mouth. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? What are you gonna do? You can't do anything to me. How did you do that so fast? You got spatter all over me. That's battery. Well, you wonder what I'm gonna do with all this? Brian? Most certainly throw everything at him. What the heck? Ow! Oh, my arm! Ow! Yeah, you should be the one doing this except for me. Oh! Ow! 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 I did not expect that one. Oh! Take your present. And you know what you should get? Oh! Oh! I quit. You know what to do at this point, Brian. Throw the weight in the glass before we leave. Okay. All right, let's go. I feel good.